everybody and welcome to this video on the cos graph. In this video we have a look at the p-value, which is the horizontal shifts. So we have our equation y is equal to a cos to the power of bx minus p, and it's the p-value that shifts the graph left, and a positive value shifts it left and right, a negative value shifts it right. So that's what we have for this graph over here, that you will either get it shifted left or right. So what we do need to remember that it's the opposite to what we expect. So a positive is left and a negative is right. And that is particularly the case for P because of that negative. So let us have a look at an example. Over here we have different graphs. The first graph is our standard graph. Y is equal to cos x. So in that graph, we are going to compare the shifts to that one over there. The blue graph is y is equal to cos x plus 45. So this here has been shifted 45 degrees to the left because of the positive. If you look at the white graph, each point in the white graph has been shifted 45 degrees to the left. And that is how we obtained our graph cos x plus 45. What you would notice is that the x-intercepts are also shifted 45 degrees to the left, so that is our graph. Our y values are the same, so our range is the same, so our range is still between negative and 1 for both graphs. So there we have that our range is y is an element from -1 to 1. In the next case, h of x cos is equal to x minus 90 degrees. What we've done is shifted everything 90 degrees to the right. Okay, so in this graph over here, if we compare to the white graph, you see that every point has been shifted 90 degrees to the right. I've just extended this bit to what part would be repeated for us to complete this graph. Now, if we have a careful look at the orange graph, it looks like another graph that we have studied. It looks like sine x. And this makes sense because this is it's the co-function rule that cos of x minus 90 is equal to cos x. So that is just proving the co-function rule that we use true. So let us have a look at an example. So in this exercise, we have to say, how has the graph been changed? So in this graph over here, we have cos x minus 15. So this graph has been shifted 15 degrees to which direction? Negative is to the right. And then this one here is y h of x is equal to cos x plus 15, 150. So it has been shifted 150 degrees to the left. Okay, please watch our other videos on the rest of the series of the cos graph.